normally what I would do is I would go glance through the incoming packages with a healthy dose of curiosity, wondering, but today I didn't even have that opportunity because Will Do decided to completely interrupt everything, that entire procedure, in order to place that in front of me right there. I don't know if I'm supposed to smack it or not. He said, you know what, Lou? Today it's all about this. This is the thing you've been waiting for. This is the greatest thing ever to be featured on Unbox Therapy. That's his words, not mine. Anyway, anyhow, let's do it. Oh. This is the Escobar Fold 2. The company is run by Pablo Escobar's brother. Am I correct about this? My goodness. Okay, hold up. Fold 2, international, carrier unlocked, IMEI privacy, only found inside, not on the box, and the MSRP $550. Designed in the USA, some parts came from China, assembled in Hong Kong, licensed and manufactured company in the UK, and it shipped to us from Dubai. What a time. Now, obviously, I've looked at many folding phones. Also in the package, USB Type-C cable. That's it. No power brick. Interesting. Property asset management. Roberto Escobar, creating and sustaining projects related to the family of Pablo Escobar under the leadership of Roberto de Jesus Escobar Gaviria, brother of Pablo Escobar. Wow, check this out. 100 plus billion USD earned since established. Here's the founder, the CEO. Whatever they did, here it is. Let's be honest.
This could be like a supreme thing.
A supreme thing. Well, I have to say, man, if anybody is into the tech space, the tech scene, they would have heard about this when the news first started making a round. So if you're out in public living this life, people are gonna approach you. They're gonna say, how did you get your hands on the... I gotta say, Will, well done, man. It's a piece of history right here. For whatever it ends up being in the scope of the technology realm, I feel like this is a moment in time. It's kind of like a museum item. That time, we had the Escobar brand on a fold.
Weird world.
What a time to be alive.